Explain various types of gradient in detail. Gradient is defined as any departure of track from the level is known as the grade or gradient. Purpose of providing the gradient to provide the uniform rate of rise or fall, reduce the cost of earthwork to reach the different station at the different level. There are four types of gradient: ruling gradient, pusher gradient, momentum gradient, and gradient at station yard. First one is the ruling gradient. The ruling gradient is the steepest gradient that exists in a section. It determines the maximum load that can be held by a locomotive on that section. While deciding the ruling gradient of a section, it is not only the severity of the gradient but also the length as well as its position with respect to the gradient on both sides that have to be taken into consideration. In plain terrain, a gradient is provided 1 in 150 or 1 in 250. In hilly terrain, 1 in 100 to 1 in 150. Second one is the pusher gradient. Pusher gradient we can provide on the hilly area. In hilly areas, the rate of the rise of the terrain become very important when trying to reduce the length of the railway line. There are sometimes gradients steeper than the ruling gradient are provided to reduce the overall cost. In such condition, one locomotive is not adequate to pull the entire load, so we can provide the extra locomotive. When the gradient of the ensuing section is too steep, as necessitate the use of extra engine for the pushing the train is known as the pusher or helper gradient. These types of gradient are provided at the Budni Barkha section of Central Railway and the Darjeeling Himalaya Railway section. Third one is the momentum gradient. Momentum gradient is steeper than the ruling gradient and can be overcome by a train because the momentum is gathered while running on the section. In valleys, a falling gradient is sometimes followed by the rising gradient. In such a situation, a train coming down a falling gradient acquires a good speed and momentum, which give additional kinetic energy to the train and allow it to negotiate gradients steeper than the ruling gradient. In section with momentum gradients, there are no obstacle provided in the form of signal sign which may bring the train to a critical juncture. The quantity of motion of moving body measured as a product of its mass and velocity. Fourth one is the gradient at station. This is provided at the station to prevent the standing vehicle from the rolling or moving away from the yard due to combined effect of gravity and the strong wind. To reduce the additional resistance forces required to start a locomotive to extent possible. Generally, this is provided at the yard or at the station. The recommended gradient is 1 in 1000. And the grade compensation on curve, that means the curves provided extra resistance to momentum of train. As a result, gradient are compensated to the following extent on the curve. First one on broad gauge 0.04% per degree of the curve or 70 by R, whichever is minimum. For the different tracks, there are provided value is the different, where the R is represent the radius of the curve in a meter.